Alrighty, squad, what's going on today? How's everybody? I hate how fucking shaky this phone is. How's everybody doing out there? Today is... I don't even have my watch on. I probably better just hold this fucking phone like this. Okay, so we are up here at the Annapolis City Police Department right now to drop off the video footage of the assault yesterday at the Pip Moyer Recreational Center. I'll give you guys a little video look of myself in a second. I have 3 staples in my head. My knee and elbow are fucking banged up. I got bruises everywhere. Those assholes took 4 of them to tackle me. But tyranny and oppression never stops, and neither do I. People told me to stop going out and shooting videos for a while and be safe. But it's not about my safety. It's about getting the results. It's what we do. How you doing? I'm here to drop off some evidence to Officer Fowl.
Hi.
How you doing? I'm here to drop off some evidence to Officer Fowl.
Officer Fowl?
Fowl, P-F-A-U.
He's not working today.
Okay, can I drop it off to his superior then, please?
Yes.
Gotcha.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I gotta go.
Oh, you're fine.
Yeah.
I'll go out to my car and grab the piece of paper so I have the case number.
Okay.
Yeah, as I said, people told me I shouldn't audit for a while, this, that, and the third, like, it's not worth a couple of dollars for this or that. And I'm like, dog, it's not worth the money at all. Like, I don't do this for the money. It's not about money. It's about the principle. It's about fair treatment, equal treatment for everybody. It's about doing the right thing. It's never been about money. I don't care if these motherfuckers beat me up. I don't care what they do. I'm not going to stop. I'm going to be out here every single... That's weird. I'm going to be out here every single day.
Sergeant Juan is going to come and talk to you.
Okay, cool. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Good, how you doing?
Hold on 1 second, alright?
You good?
Day 1 ready. Hold me out the call on the line. 10:45. Okay, help you, sir.
I'm here to drop off this evidence for Officer Fowl of the assault that happened last night. The assault that occurred when I was attacked
Alright.
by a citizen or a government worker at the poll location.
Gotcha. Alright.
No, restart.
Just make sure it's accurate.
I got you.
Do you have a case number from the incident from last night?
I don't. Oh, I do. Choose.
Is this video from you?
Yes, sir.
Your
Yeah,
video?
yeah.
Okay.
It's 2 angles. It's my hand camera and my chest camera.
2, 3, 1.
Unedited, complete stream of the incident. If you guys want to come drop that off.
Alright, got you. I'll make sure he gets it, okay?
Awesome. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you.
Alright, no problem.
Have a good one.
You too.
Okay, and we are off to the commissioner's office. So that was, I didn't even get his badge number. It's on the video. It said that was Sergeant Wang. Alrighty, so we are now here at the commissioner's office at the jail on Jackson. You guys will recognize this corner right here as the spot where the CO came out and assaulted me, and the state refused to press charges. But now we're here to file charges on this gentleman that assaulted me last night. I got my statement typed up. So we're here at the commissioners to file these charges, but we're not allowed to record inside via Maryland 216-8 because this is a courthouse facility. So I'll see you guys when I get out. Alrighty, squad, we just left the commissioner's office, got the charges filed. I have to call in on the 10th or the 17th to have a meeting with the assistant state's attorney about filing these charges. So we're going to have to wait at least a week until the 10th to get some progress on those, but the charges have been filed. Alrighty, squad. Until next time, be safe out there. Take it easy, and peace out. Alrighty, squad. What's going on out there? How's everybody doing? Another beautiful day here in Annapolis, Maryland. It is the 9th of November. It's about 3 o'clock p.m. and we are shooting our first video on the new GoPro. Some of you may have just seen the post I made about it arriving, so I wanted to come out and test it out, see how it works, get it going. This is the new GoPro 11. I do not have the max lens mod on there yet. I wanted to get out and get up here before it hit 3 o'clock, so I didn't want to sit and fiddle with everything else. But yeah, again, appreciate every single one of y'all that donated. Appreciate my buddy Web Jockey, almost said his real name, for donating a large lump sum to help me get this new camera because the last one was broken. I am still without my chest camera, but that will come in due time. I am greatly appreciative of the community accepting me in and also donating to help me get a new camera. Yaldabomb.com. So apparently Annapolis City Police was up there at the rec center asking questions about why it was I was there. Apparently they made it out to be that like I said the whole reason I was up there was to shoot this video for the boxing coach or this, that, or the third, when in reality I met that man up there. I didn't know who he was until I got there. Then they tried to say that I didn't have permission to be there at the rec center and the people didn't know why I was there, but I blatantly asked them on video if I could walk around and videotape and was given permission. So normally I don't even ask permission, but this time I was given it. So yeah, we're up here to drop off that evidence. That way there's no misconceptions of what happened, what was going on, why I was there, who gave me permission. Look, police pulling out right there. Get him, get him, get him. Get him, get him, get him. Pull that bitch over. I don't know what they did, but get them. Bust their ass. Oh, it's still 4. Huh. I could have sat and put the new one on there then. Dang. How you doing? I'm here to drop off some more evidence.
Hi.
How you doing? I'm here to drop off some more evidence.
Okay, to who?
Officer Fowl is who I would drop it off to. If he's not here, then his superior.
Give me one.
I think Wang was who took it last time.
He's not here today. Let me see who's here today.
Okay, thank you. That's what's messed up, is like the people that work there were like, yeah, that crazy man was here filming, like he ain't have no, you know what I mean, the crazy man ain't have no business being here. And it's like, what do you mean the crazy man? You gave me permission. What's up, brother?
Hurley, how are you?
How you doing? What's your name?
O'Hurley.
O'Hurley?
Yep.
4906. How you doing, boss?
Pretty
So I
good.
came and I dropped off some information last week, a flash drive with Sergeant Wang, ultimately
Yep.
for Officer Fowl,
Yep.
for an incident that happened at the Pip Moyer Recreational Center.
Yes, sir.
Nobody called me, no one gave me any information, but miraculously somehow on like Saturday, you guys went up to the rec center asking questions about me filming for the boxing coach, as if like that's the whole reason I was there.
Okay.
And there was like some misconception on maybe like me not being allowed at the property or this or that. But
Okay.
I blatantly asked, so I'm going to drop this off. This is more evidence for the
same,
case.
different, or the same?
It's different.
Okay.
It's the same incident, but it's
Okay.
different video footage than what you guys have. This isn't
Okay.
of the assault. This is of me asking permission to film in Pip Moyer and around Pip Moyer Rec Center and being given
That same day?
permission. Yeah, the
Okay.
same day. Being
Okay.
given permission to do that by the lady. So I was
Okay.
like, I was just confused on why they were making it out to be like I was some crazy guy just like up
Who's
there
they?
and had no, whoever, the police and the people that work there apparently were making it out to be like, they
Okay.
used the phrase like the crazy guy was in here filming. We don't know why he was here. He wasn't even supposed to be here, this, that, and the third,
Okay.
and trying to like throw the boxing coach under the bus. So
Okay.
I didn't want him to be thrown under the bus either.
Okay.
I met him up there
All
by
right.
shooting basketballs with his son
Okay.
and then shot a video for him. That was not the reason I went there.
I got you.
You'll see in the video while
Okay.
I'm there. Check it out. But yeah, I was given permission, so I just didn't want there to be any misconceptions or
Nope.
like discrepancies. That's all,
I'll
brother.
pass this on to Officer Fowl.
My man, thank you.
All right.
brother.
Thank you.
You too. Have a good one. You too.
You
Thank you.
Pipeline.
Okay. And now we have dropped that evidence off. Yeah, I didn't want there to be any confusion on why I was there and whether or not the workers knew I was there, because they were trying to make it out to be like I wasn't. Then they were trying to throw this nice dude under the bus like Man, that man don't have nothing to do with what I'm doing over here. Leave him alone, man. I shot a little bit of footage for his son's YouTube channel for him so I could make a little video of his son like working out and doing some stuff. Leave that man alone. He don't have nothing to do with what I'm doing. But yeah, so they won't call and ask me any questions or ask me for any information or anything, but they'll go up there looking for any possible loophole to be like, haha, we'll get him in trouble for this. Haha, he did this or he didn't do that. But as y'all know, how you doing? As y'all know, I do my research. I dot my T's. I dot my I's and I cross my T's. And I make sure that I am usually as educated as I can be on the situations I'm putting myself into. There are certain times where the situation may take a left turn and I may not have studied for this exact scenario. That's kind of how I do it. When I sit at home, I think, okay, if I'm going into this place or doing this, what is a scenario that I'm going to get into? What is a possible thing that the police are going to say as like a reason why I can or can't be there? And that's kind of how I look up the statutes and the laws and the different like criminal codes, either granting me or rescinding permission to do whatever it is I want to do at these properties. So yeah, I don't just sit at home and like study the entire law dictionary and just like memorize everything. I evaluate possible scenarios of situations that I'm going to be putting myself into, and I will educate myself properly so that if one of those scenarios presents itself, I can enact. So I called the number listed, which is 410-222-2444, to voice my opinion and to petition my grievance against Mr. Michael May for not filing or prosecuting those charges on Robert Jones Jr. And then I even went one step further as to contact the Maryland Attorney's Grievance Board or Grievance Commission and file a complaint on Mr. Michael May over there as well. So again, these are just steps that I took. These are just things that I did. Not saying anybody has to do that for themselves. These were just the steps that I took. So next time, squad, be safe out there. Take it easy. Peace out.
I'm going in. A grammar to a cripple you. I hope you ain't got shit to do. A hit or two, a scramble you. So pass it like Campbell do. Mary Jane and Maryland, take you to the fairyland. One puff enough, get you stuck like a mannequin. Crack the Dutch, dump the guts, call it minivan. Cause I be packing blunts, something like a Mexican. My flow chronic, sonic like a hedgehog. And all these other rappers wanna rock like Snoop Dogg. Pussycat, I show you who the top dog. Treat you like a black widow, rip your fucking head off.